Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to start mining Beam coin. Beam uses Beam hash algorithm, and it is not new coin. It's been a couple of years for this coin. So to start mining Beam coin, first thing, as any other coin, you need to get your wallet address. On the start page on the Beam official site, you will find download Beam wallet. Click on this link and it will open new page where you can find Beam wallet for Mac, Windows and Linux. Click on the download button and it will shortly download it. If you don't want to use this wallet, you can get address from exchanges. Beam is listed on Binance, Bitforex, MEXC, Gate.io, Hotbit, CoinEX, on many exchanges. So you can use address for some of these exchanges. When the download is finished on Beam wallet, click on Beam on the file and it will start installing. I will use default place, agree and install, and in the short time the wallet will be installed. Now it says run wallet, click on that and it will run Beam wallet. It says create new wallet, click on that, generate seed phrase, and you have your 12 words. Now you need to write these words and store it in the safe place. After you write your 12 words, click on complete verification and it says that you need to write these words. I understand. And now you need to enter a couple of words from your wallet. After you enter this couple of words, click on the next button and type your desired password. And click on the next. Now select first option and click on the start using your wallet. Allow access for network and it says downloading blockchain data. It will need around 3 hours or less to synchronize with all the blocks from the network. After the wallet is synchronized, it takes around 2 hours to synchronize all the blocks. You will get from your wallet address and paste it in some text file. Second thing you need to do is to find a pool for mining this coin. On mining pool stats.stream, click on the search Beam and it will open all the pools for Beam coin. I will use 2 miners for this video. It is the largest pool for mining Beam. On the right side, click on this how to start and it will open how to start mining Beam. Now you need to find miner for AMD cards. Use low miner for mining with AMD and NVIDIA cards. it says that the best miner is low miner, so we'll use low miner. On the Google, type low miner, and in the first link on the GitHub you will find low miner, the latest version 1.59a. Download for Windows. Open your mining folder, extract the miner, and in the miner folder you will find already prepared batch files for mining. Find mine beam. This is the mine beam. Right click on that and click edit, and it will open your batch file. In this batch file you need to enter your pool and your wallet address and your worker. So in this, where it says set pool, you need to copy information from two miners. So we will copy this being two miners, copy, and paste in your batch file, paste, and in the wallet address you need to enter your wallet address from your wallet. Paste, and this I will test here. Save this file, and now you are ready to start mining BIM. For simple mining, click add new group config, name your group, select your miner program. In this list you will find low miner. I missed it. Here it is, low miner. And in this miner options you need to enter information from two miners. Copy this line as it says, without low miner.exe, and paste in here. These three last options do not delete, just first part. And when it says your wallet address and rig ID, copy your wallet address and enter your address, and after the address place dot and your worker name, like this, and save it. And now you have your options for low miner in the group config of simple mining. Now we will go to two miners and and we will try to start mining BIM. So okay, MS Afterburner is started, and I will double click on minebim.bat. Double click on that, and miner will start mining. Now, as you can see, we are already getting shares from the miner. Share accepted. So mining is already started. As you can see, I am getting 9.3 sols for BIM from my graphic card. Okay, now it says 8.7 sols. I may try to overclock a little bit. I don't know, maybe core clock. Let's see if it's changed something or not. Okay, we are getting now 9.9 sols with just a little bit overclock on the core clock. It's around 9 or 10 sols for this card. Maybe I will try to memory clock to overclock a little bit. You need to experiment with your options for your graphic cards. Every card has a different option, different settings. So for how to set up clocks on your cards, you need to do that for yourself, because as I said, every card has a different options. Now I'm getting around 11 sols, so we are successfully mining BIM. Now we can check our mining stats on the two miners. Just where it says your wallet address, paste your wallet address and click on search. As you can see, I already have my worker. My graphic card is mining on two miners. And that is it. Additional information for BIM you can find on CoinMarketCap, current price, markets, historical data, and some other info for this coin. I think that I've said everything for how to easy start BIM coin. Again, thank you for watching my videos, and bye bye till the next time.